Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to set a minimum stay in the Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after that you log in, all you need to do is to switch to hosting, and after that all you need to do now is to go to menu, listing, and then you will choose the listing that you want. So basically now we will need just to add like the availability, and here we are going to find like the trip length. Now we are going to find the minimum stay, and then you will need just to click on edit and you will set the minimum stay night. So basically you can just add 3 nights minimum stay, and then you will click on save, and now we will have this minimum stay number or amount. So after you click save, you will have it set successfully. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.